Hey guys, and welcome to this weird video where I'm explaining my frustration about the new age and dying age of everything. So, 3 years ago, I bought a GoPro 9. It never actually worked properly, like never. The connection between the phone and not just my phone, their interface is always broken. I will try to restrain myself to not say bad words because YouTube doesn't like them. But let's say that I am emotionally frustrated since I've been wasting more than 2 hours right now trying to fix my GoPro since I only use my GoPro lately for a webcam. Now, what the problem is that I need to update my GoPro for the GoPro webcam to work because somehow it just died on its own without even touching it or whatever. But it could be the Windows update. It could be that I switched my keyboard because after I installed my keyboard hub, there's like 15,000 different reasons why it just decided to die. So what I tried to do is I went through the internet. I did a factory reset. I did. I reinstalled the app on my phone. I did everything. Now you're gonna say, Mato, yeah, but you can do. You have the wrong connections set on the GoPro because you have to understand that GoPro is stupid enough to give you 4 different options how to connect your camera, and none of them, actually all of them, have to be in a perfect sequel where there is always a chance that you have it connected. I mean, where you have your GoPro settings wrongly. So therefore, what you do is when you're in doubt, you do a factory reset, right? So I've done that. I have re-downloaded the program on my PC 5 times. I re-downloaded and updated my Windows on my PC, and I have done all of that on my cell phone as well because my GoPro doesn't want to be recognized on my PC. Even though I have tried multiple USB cables, USB ports, you then tried multiple connection options as I described before, nothing works, of course, because you have a multi-billion company, the GoPro has, right? A multi-billion company, yet you are unable to make a viable program, an interface where we could be easily connect our camera to our PC or cell phone. Because what you're trying to do is force your subscriptions on us by giving us ads and all the other weird stuff on our cell phone and on our com- uh, personal computer. So this is literally my way to tell you guys, go away from GoPro and all of their products. This is, as I said before, I wasted so many hours with, and this is not the only thing that broke for me till now. What else is, when I was doing video editing and all of that stuff in the past, there has been multiple things, multiple times when the media files were corrupted. Now, you're gonna say, yeah, maybe you have your um, micro card corrupted or something. No, I changed my micro cards. Like, I've done all there is. All there is. Nothing works. Why nothing works? Because there's probably way too many people employed at a shitty company, and nobody actually does its job, which is something that is regular here. But but it gave me thinking, and I had to do this now, and I did it. I did this video where I warn you, stay away from GoPro. It's not worth it. It is not worth it. It literally it destroyed a day in my life, and I overpaid for this product. So I'm gonna leave this on the internet. Hopefully somebody will find it sooner or later and watched it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video for whatever.